Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Evelyn Aoko God. So first of all, I want to say thank you to everybody who's supporting me, and now we reach 100 subscribers, and thank you so much. So today I'm going to show you guys how I clean my fridge. I already remove everything. I do this twice in a month, and the day is the day, because it's good to clean the fridge, because if you don't do it, the fridge will be very dirty. I don't know what other people doing, but yeah, that is my routine. So this is what I'm going to do, and I will show you how I do it. So this is my fridge. You see, it's looking new because I clean it twice a month, and I already remove everything from the fridge. And when you live with 17 years old, it's a little bit so that is what I'm going to do, and it doesn't take much time. When you remove things, it doesn't take, it's just like this, I'm done with it. Maybe 2-3 minutes, I'm done to wash. I'm very fast to wash, take care of the cleaning, so that is not a problem. As long, and you know, when you use like storage things like this with vegetables, we drag it out in, you need to wash them also if you need your vegetable to stay longer, you know, because me, I just go only weekly shopping. So, and we are cooking every day, we drag them every day. As much as they say fridges help to store the food, you need also to be taken care of, or hell will be, yeah, you know what I mean, it will be messy, and that is not good. When you we put something in the fridge and smell not nice, that is not good. So I will show you what I'm going to do. So that is my routine. So I just need water and towel. Very simple. Very, very simple. And I need a bowl. And guys, the best way to clean the refrigerator, is with lemon. Just with lemon. It will make your fridge smell and fresh. You can use the soap, but I don't need, just do like this in water. You see, squeeze the juice. I don't need two because I have this one, is enough. So I do like that. Actually, this should move on the way. I'll wash them. And just do like this with towel. And smell very fresh. And you just do like this. The lemon is doing wonders, you know. It's doing a great job. It's taking all the nasty, the fatty in the fridge. I don't need to remove everything out. I just do like this. That is the good thing. When you wash, you take care of your fridge, it doesn't take a lot of work. And when the fridge is clean, anything you store inside is Tastes good. Don't feel like this smelly thing taste. You know? Even you're happy to open the fridge when it's clean. Just do like that. You need to dip it. The only reason I'm dipping the towel many times in the water because the fridge is not so filthy, so it's just I need lemon juice, so it's easy to wash. That's why somebody will wonder, why do I dip all the time in the same water? So we do like that. And there are some of them, if it's very dirty, you get rid of it and wash it. So that one need to be washed. It's too much oil on it because we use it a lot. Open, put this, take this. And here, you know, you guys, here I turn a lot of bacteria. If you guys never knew, here, because you touch here a lot. Here is where your hand is going. And then, see this is only like that. You do like this. If you do this often, or it don't take you long time, you see, that is well taken off. So this is a freezer, and I don't need to take everything because it's no need to clean the freezer, because that will be a lot of work, but I take care of it. It's only the food, frozen food. It's no ice. That's why, you know, when you keep the fridge clean, when you put things, you remove them like this, that is good. But when you put food and there's a lot of ice in the food and things like that, it's crazy. The freezer is stacking. That's, you know, your freezer is dirty. Like that. So that is done, and then we remove this. This you need to wash. You don't just need to use towel. You need to wash it with water and with the soap. I put it aside and clean down here. Everybody needs to clean their fridge, even if they live alone or whatever. It doesn't matter. I don't like my fridge to be nasty, so that's why I'm doing this. So when coming in the weekend, I don't have too much things in the house is waiting for me when the weekend. And that is done. Just do like that. And then guys, don't forget under here. And guys, don't forget under here. If you have a fridge like this, you open it with like that. Don't forget. Because it's here, you use all the time when you open the fridge like that. You know what I mean? Easy busy. Easy busy. Don't worry, I just wake up and let's say I do this before I go to work. So when I come home with the grocery, it will be easy for me just to put in. Cleaning day. It's not a cleaning day. You just need to find your time, yeah? If you don't do it, who will do it for you? Not here in Norway. I cannot afford a cleaning lady, so I need to do it for myself. And that's how I do it. So that is done. You see? See, it's done. It just took me 3 minutes just to clean inside the fridge. So I will put things, you see? It look amazing. It look like new. See? When you take care of it often, don't give you a lot too much work. So that's, but I don't clean the freezer because I don't need it, because I am very careful when I put things inside. I don't put hot thing. I put all the cold things in the freezer, and then the freezer will stay longer without be clean because you don't need it. But up here, twice a month is okay. You see, easy busy. Now I'm finished. I will just put the things I want. The things is already destroyed. I don't want some vegetables. I will throw it, and I'm ready to take shower to go to work. Just like that. One touch. I show you when I'm finished. Now I'm finished. See you guys, and don't forget to subscribe and share, and thank you. I give you a kiss. Mwah. Bye.